Right guys, just like that, we've got the Hyundai all closed up. So I did paint it and I did get the panels put back on, but unfortunately I did forget to record it. And I have had someone else in changing the entire front slam panel, front radiator and the front crash bar. Like I said, that guy was going to do it and take the old parts away. He done that while I was spray painting yesterday. So as you can see there, we've got it all on. I do need to just sort the lines out. So we've got a bit too much of a wide line here. The bonnet needs to be dropped down a tiny bit there. We need to put the number plate on, but as you can see, the spray job itself isn't 100% perfect. I'm sure you can see the orange peel. Now, it does look a lot worse in the camera than it actually is. It's not as bad. It is smooth, but it does still need wet sanding and polishing. It hasn't been wet sanded and polished. It isn't that hard yet, but I'm going to do it on the car. The bumper, on the other hand, has turned out really, really well. It's not fully screwed in. As you can see, it's still open on that side there. And it's not actually clipped in on this side. So this side's not even pushed in, it's just hanging. I have screwed in the top and I've screwed the bottom part here. Just left the sides. And it does look alright. Regarding the damaged line here, it doesn't actually look that bad. Considering I've never sprayed before, I've never body filled before, and I've never done any of this. But the blend itself, so if we look at the wing and that, the bonnet looks okay. The bumper, it is definitely a bit more whiter. But the paint was colour matched, and I have spoke to a few other people and they have said to get it to completely colour match, you should blend into the wings. But I don't know how to do that, and when they were explaining it, it didn't make complete sense, so I didn't do that. Obviously, I sprayed it off the panel, but it's turned out alright. I reckon with a bit of polish it'll be alright, and it's not like I'm going to be hiding anything when I come to sell the car. So what we're going to go ahead and do is get the bumper all tied up, get the number plates on, get it outside. Because the weather is miserable today, I'm not going to wet sand and polish it, but I am going to see if I can try and valet it, and the car's looking like a car again. If I just show you from the front, fortunately the garage is an extreme mess, but if you just look at it there, you know what I mean, it does look like the front end. From what it was to front, it is what it is. We have definitely made a massive change to it, but yeah, let's go ahead, get that done, and then we'll see what we do from there next.